The Nordic cluster includes Scandinavia and related countries situated near the top of the globe. Nights are long in the winter and almost non-existent in the summer. Life is relaxed, but everyone is expected to be diligent. It is an interesting cluster to observe. Author David Livermore identifies IKEA as the cultural icon for this cluster. Functional, inexpensive, and require individual activity, furniture from IKEA comes in kit form. The buyer is responsible for assembling the merchandise. Such is life in the Nordic cluster, where everyone is expected to pull his or her own weight. At the same time, they work to live rather than live to work. Hiking, biking, boating, and fishing are regular pastimes, as we discovered on a mission trip to Norway. As you will note from this slide, the common symbol on these flags is the cross. Most of the countries are Christian nations, in quotation marks, in the sense that infants are baptized into the church and funerals are performed by the state church, though few Nordic people actually attend church or have any religious convictions. In fact, one of the videos you'll watch in this module may be shocking to you. Then again, maybe not. This picture is a great illustration of life in the Nordic cluster. You see a fjord in the background. Fjords are deep rivers, often as deep as the mountains around them are tall. With plenty of waterways to explore by boat and mountains to climb, Nordic peoples generally love the outdoors and are regularly involved in activities out in the fresh air. In the 10 days that we were in Norway, we participated in 5 days of vacation Bible school, 2 Sundays of worship, yet found time to hike, to explore, to boat, and to fish with members of an evangelical church. Unlike the Latin European cluster, the Nordic cluster's cultural dimensions are fairly consistent from one culture to another. You will note that they are individualistic, that there is low power distance, there is low uncertainty avoidance, they are very cooperative, they are short-term oriented, there is low context, and their focus is not on doing, but on being. Now, that being said, they do expect excellence in what they do. But as I said before, they work to live rather than live to work. Be sure to read Expand Your Borders to understand Livermore's assessment of these cultural dimensions. And don't miss what Gannon and Pillai write about individual nations within this cluster.